Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be learning how to forecast weather using Python. So let's get started. You can refer to my article on Hashnode for better understanding and a step-by-step guide of the same. First of all, we have to know, what does the weather forecast module do? It is a pip package provides weather forecasting information based on location or address. Using address, the weather forecast provides a location-specific forecast. Currently, only one function is included that is forecast. If you wish to know more about it, you can refer to Weather Forecast Pypi Page. In order to access the Python library, you need to install it into your Python environment. So, copy the pip command and paste it on your terminal. Now hit Enter or Return on your keyboard to install Weather Forecast module. Finally, it is installed. Let's have a look at the demo of final result, which you can expect from this tutorial. Here we have the demo.py file. Let's run this file using terminal. Just type Python followed by initials of your file. You can hit Tab on your keyboard to autocomplete the name. Let me give my location as London. It will take some time to fetch the result from the API. Here we have the complete data in the form of a dictionary. Each element have its corresponding key and value pairs. Now you can get a specific detail, for example, information about temperature, humidity, or even you can predict about the rainfall. As you have seen the final demo, let's begin coding. Now we need to import the package into our Python script. Just type import weather forecast as WF. Now that we have imported the library using the command, let's proceed. Let's ask the user to input the city name for which he or she wishes to fetch the weather details. You can also hard code the value if you will only check for yourself. Now let's display a simple message. Let's fetch the weather details using the forecast function. We can pass in the argument place as location. It does have more arguments like time, date, and much more. Our resultant data is stored in weather. Let's display the result. There we have a weather forecast script with just 8 lines of codes. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, and if it was helpful then consider subscribing and hit the like button below. I will meet you in another tutorial. Until then, keep coding.